Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's kitchen. So it's almost Christmas and I have been asked to do the cauliflower cheese. So today we're going to do a cauliflower cheese. But first, a cup of tea. And a tray. Let's begin. Right, so today I'm going to do the cauliflower cheese in this, but I'm going to do an extra bit to review with this. So you shall need a cauliflower. I've got an extra big one, but just a standard one will do. Want a bit of colour? Add some broccoli. We need 40 grams of butter, 400 millilitres of milk. I've got 500 here, so 40 grams of plain flour. Salt, pepper, English mustard, although if you don't like English mustard, do some Dijon mustard. Whichever cheese you want to put in this, so it's normally about 100 grams, I'm going to shove in 200 grams and I'm going to put a selection of cheese in because I like mature, but not everyone in my family does. So I've got some Wensleydale, Red Leicester, and some standard mature cheddar. So the first step is cut your cauliflower, broccoli, and boil it for a few minutes. Right, as is traditional, I've got a pan that's not big enough, so I'm going to do this in two. So I don't think I should show you this, but I'll just cut this in the middle, and then I'm cutting off these stems. Basically, so you get these florets off of it, like that. Right, now melt the butter. Add the flour. And stir in. Slowly add the milk. Right, so we're going to bring this back up to the boil. Let's add our pepper. And salt. Let's add the mustard. After a few minutes, the sauce will thicken, so a bit like this. Remove from the heat. Right, we now need to add 2/3 of our cheese, which I have grated. We now need to fill the pots. Right, so once you've made sure everything's covered with the remaining cheese, sprinkle it on top. And once done, put it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Right, so that is what I believe is done. So golden brown on top, a bit fatty, but it's Christmas. So yes, I think that's the cheeses are mixed quite well. Quite a nice colour for that. I'm just going to have this with some pork. Okay, now the taste test. Yes, that's absolutely lovely. I would obviously put whatever cheese you like in there, but the three mixtures. So I like mature cheddar, and yeah, all three of those cheeses, which I've done a third of each, that's gone really nice. So yes, give that a go to accompany your Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. because I think this is my last this will be my last video this year. Thank you to everybody who's watched, and I'm unexpected subscribers, i.e. family. So yes, I was expecting like 5 people to view these videos, and it seems to be more. So yes, have a good one. Goodbye.